Welcome back everybody! Today we're gonna do an evergreen of the British pastry, the carrot cake.
Let's go!
Ingredients for this recipe are 200 g of carrot, grated, 110 g of custard sugar, 75 g of demerara sugar, 120 g of golden raisin, 180 g of eggs, 210 g of flour, 10 g of baking powder, 4 g of bicarbonate of soda, 4 g of cinnamon, 200 g of vegetable oil. So, first of all, we're gonna beat the eggs with the sugar, custard sugar and demerara sugar.
It's a supernatural disaster.
When everything is very well mixed together, let's add the vegetable oil. So after we add our sunflower oil, we can add all our dry ingredients. Flour, bicarbonate, cinnamon, and baking powder.
Used to be nothing but rainbows in sight.
So after we add all our dry ingredients, our mix should look like that. So after that we can add our carrot, our sultanas.
Can't even think straight.
Okay, so after the mix is done, we prepare the tray. So we put butter, flour, and the parchment paper on the bottom.
Disaster.
Okay, so don't put more than 3/4 of your mix inside the tray because this mix is gonna grow a bit. Let's bake at 160 for 1 hour and a half. After 1 hour and 30, our cake is gonna be ready. So when it's gonna be cold, we can cut it and we can eat for breakfast, for afternoon, or with a perfect cup of tea.
Big tapping in secret code to say.
Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give us a
thumbs up
and subscribe to my channel.